What's up, guys? DakotaJPayne back with another YouTube video. Today, I'm going over a morning session, basically giving our weekly outlook on a few pairs I'm paying attention to for the week. Smash that like button. Go ahead, comment in the comment section if you have anything to say, and join the Discord channel. The link is in the description. Hope you guys enjoy.
Recording this computer. All right, what's up, guys? Awesome. Okay, so today is a really simple day, and I'm gonna make this week as simple as possible. Not gonna trade too much. Mainly gonna focus on backtesting this week as much as I can, and still striving for that 5% goal for this week, of course. But really, to pay attention to two pairs. Okay, and over the past year, I have definitely noticed the less pairs that I pay attention to, the more profitable I am. It's just being disciplined enough to actually stick to two or one pairs. Like my best weeks ever have been focusing on one single pair, and on two pairs. Also about that area, it seems like I always want to go for three pairs. Okay. Well, let's go ahead and get into it. So first off, you chef. Let's hide that since we didn't talk about that one. You chef's very simple. Let's start on the weekly actually. Set this. I didn't even give it a full markup yet. All right, so I do have this marked up on MetaTrader 4. I think that's what I spent my time doing on Sunday. Yeah, but overall, it's really simple. Nothing hard about this. Okay, we've got a nice little downtrend going on right there. And prices approaching the zone. It's already hit it twice, and we see look to the left, prices rejected off of this area several times before as well. So on our lower time frame, believe the 4-hour time frame. So when we first see this descending channel right here, we're looking for price to actually push up, give us a correction, and continue up around this trend line. At least that's what I'm looking for. Gonna be waiting for that setup, and actually it looks like it's has broken it already. Let's go back to the 4-hour to be sure. Yeah, it hasn't started on the next candle because I was wondering why my alert hasn't gone off yet, but this candle hasn't closed. Okay, so upon that happening, gonna go to our lower time frame, wait for a correction. Let's go ahead and extend this channel. If we get a correction, like I obviously need a lot more structure here. If we get a correction, I would like it to correct down to there. Let's go on to 3-minute. Yeah, nothing to talk about right now just yet. Just gotta wait for price to continue moving stuff for us. Real simple, real easy. GJ is a really nice one that I'm paying attention to for this week. I think this is absolutely beautiful. So, and it'll be easier on the eyes to draw zones. Yeah, we'll just delete that extra zone that we have in the lower time frame. All right, just showing areas where price is making major rejections. Simple, like our time frame, support and resistance. And we can see here, price has rejected this area, came down, gave us a pattern, and then it's continuing up. It's actually broken that pattern. And if you don't see the pattern, you can consider it a downtrend, and it's broken that downtrend as well. So let's go ahead and reset so we can see a little bit more clearly. There. Let's go ahead and go down to our 4-hour time frame, and like I said, delete this. We don't need that anymore. Okay, we can see price broke this trend line, gave us a correction, and is now continuing up in a nice, beautiful uptrend. Okay, so we've got a few patterns there, but like these lines mean nothing to us anymore. So not paying attention to those. We're waiting for this to correct down to this area and then looking for it to push up. Now we could look for it to push up to that, about that high. Must be. Yeah, I'm liking it. Okay, but the only thing that we need right now is for price to move correctly down to this zone. Once price gets down to that zone, obviously wait for the confirmation to enter and then enter. Okay, and I do want to make this stop loss as small as possible. So I will make a note to myself to go to a lower time frame for an entry. That may change to the 15-minute as well. Once I see it close to 30. Definitely fits within the parameters of our 2 to 1. And every time price hits that zone, I will be looking for, or every time I get my confirmation to enter on that lower time frame, I will continue to enter on that lower time frame. Okay, but UCHEF, GJ, main two pairs I'll be paying attention to and actually trading this week. There are a few other moves that I looked at before this week started on Sunday. But okay, so CAD-JPY yesterday, I don't believe I actually sent out the update on that on D4X analysis or like the public chat. Yeah, I didn't. Okay. So last I checked it was, or last I sent out an update for it was on Friday at around 11 o'clock because that's about the time I stopped trading and I just begin the weekend. So I either close my trades or I hold them over the weekend and see if they play out. But CAD-JPY actually stopped me out on Friday, right? Friday afternoon or something like that. So some of those were break even. I believe 2 of those were stop loss. Yeah, 2 of them were stop loss and 3. 2 of them were stop loss, 2 of them were break even. Yeah. So that was CAD-JPY. It essentially bounced off the 38.2. I wanted it to come down about to the 61 or 50. I believe this is the 50 Fibonacci level. Price never came down to there, or at least it hasn't yet. Could potentially still form a pattern, but you know, that's wishful thinking. So we're in the strong uptrend. Price is chilling in the supply area right now. So we're looking if price is going to break this or respect it. So we're gonna have to be patient for that for the rest for this week, and just see what happens with price with all of this. Okay? I'm not planning on adjusting this trend line just yet. I still like this trend. I still like to see price correct and come down a little bit lower. As far as UJ goes, need a little bit more structure out of that, but on the lower time frame, got down to the 1 hour 30 minute. There is a buy setup right there, and yeah, those are the only other two that I've actually seriously looked at for this upcoming week. Everything else has just been for practice, but I appreciate you guys actually hopping on this video, watching the video all the way through. I hope you got some value out of it. And if there's anything that you think would help, that will help make these videos a whole lot better, go ahead and comment it in the comment section. If you want to join the Discord channel, hop on these live calls, click the link in the description. And like after every single call, I do ask if you guys have any personal charts that you guys want me to look at for you, mark up, and get my personal opinion on it, or any questions or experiences that you've gone through that I could potentially help you with. But hope you enjoy. Hit that like button. Catch y'all later.